This is my twist on Jamaican jerk chicken. Yep. That's it, guys. That is my seasoning right there on this guy right here. Yep. Yep. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful Monday morning. Beautiful Monday. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for tuning in on such a beautiful day. Hope everything is good with you and your family and everybody. I already have my grill, umbrella, my little pool, and everything set up. I'm just gonna just light up the fire right now and get everything ready and throw the chicken on the grill. Yep, here's my coal right here. So guys, stay tuned as I get this thing hot. Yep. So I'm a little light of fuel right here. Yep. Yep. So guys, just stay tuned and watch the progress. Yes, man. Son didn't go to school today because he has a cold. And according to protocol in school right now, they have to do a COVID test. So we do a COVID test on Friday. So we're waiting on the result so he can go back to school. So I know it's the pollen that is triggering his allergies, but they don't want to hear that at the school, so I just keep him home with me today and then wait for his results so he can go back to school. But I don't want him outside because he's seriously allergic to the pollen. So yeah, so that is his story today.
No, pizza.
So that's the core right there, guys. Ready. We bring this down a little. It's sit there and marinate properly, and then put him on the grill today, guys. Beautiful Monday morning. Yep, so that's it right there. And along with that, I'm going to be putting some Irish potato and some sweet yam. Wrap them up in file paper, rub down with some olive oil, and that's what I'm going to be putting on the grill today, guys. Alright, so I'm just waiting on the grill to get ready, and then I'll put these guys on. My grill is at 400 right now. I think it's ready, so now I'm gonna put the chicken on it and get them ready. Okay, the grill is ready, so I'm just gonna put on these guys on it. Yep. Yep. So guys, this is my pure white Hennessy Ray and Nephew overproof rum jerk chicken right here. Yep. Even the neck is going on it, guys. Look at that. The neck. Yep. That right there. Let him sit. Yep. Yep. So that's it, guys. I'm just gonna let him sit on the grill and do his thing. So guys, right now I'm gonna get my sweet potatoes or sweet yam and my Irish potato prep. I already washed them, so I'm just gonna get them ready to put them on the grill. So this is how I do it, guys. Just like that, and show a little olive oil on it like that. Wrap it up. Yep. When they're baked in the foil paper, the olive oil soak inside of them and give them give a little flavor to them, and also soft and moist. Yes, you don't have to do it the way how I do it. You know, that's the way how I love it. Yep. You know, some people just put it on the grill same way, you know, but me, I like to bake them in the foil paper. Right? I'm surprising my wife today. She don't know that I'm doing this. She's gonna be so happy when she come home from work tonight, this evening. Yep. Yeah, I only do that. I only pour the olive oil on the sweet yams. I don't do it on the potato because my wife loves to eat those guys with butter, so eat the Irish potatoes with butter. So I'm not going to put any olive oil on those. So I'm putting them on the sweet ones, on the sweet yams. That's it right there for the sweet yams. Time for the Irish potato. If I'm not mistaken, I think they call these Irish potatoes Ohio Gold. I don't know why, but one thing I know though, when you prepare them, they are nice and soft and nice and golden color inside. Yep. And I also have 2 plantains that I'm going to be putting on it also, but not right now. So that's it guys. Sweet potato or sweet yam and Irish potato. Them guys on the grill. That's it. Close up my right here on my foil paper. So that's it guys. All foil up and everything. Yes guys. Yep, this is my pure white Hennessy Ray and Nephew overproof rum jerk chicken. Yep, gonna be epic. So guys, stay tuned and watch the progress. All right. So yes guys, this is it right here, man. All right. Yep. 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 So this is it guys. Hennessy pure white jerk chicken. That's it right there guys. Yep. That is it right there. Yep. Pure Hennessy. With Ray and Nephew rum. That's what we season this chicken with guys, to get it done properly. This is it right here. Yup. That's how we do it guys. This is my twist on Jamaican jerk chicken. Yup. That's it guys. That is my seasoning right there. on this guy right here. Yup. Yup. Guys, if you can only smell the chicken. Beautiful. Yeah, let it sit right there, man. And I'm gonna put my sweet potato and Irish potato on that small grill over there. So guy, I'm gonna test out this chicken. I have a piece of chicken neck inside of it in there. Where is it? Right here. I'm gonna sample it, see how it turns, see how it is.
Daddy.
Wow. This is awesome, man. Chicken neck.
Daddy. I want to daddy.
Beautiful.
Daddy. 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 Daddy.
Awesome.
Daddy.
This right here. So I'm putting these guys on this small grill right here. In the next two, I'm gonna put them on this grill over here and let them stay inside. Yeah. One planting right here. Sit on it also. My son's telling me that he doesn't eat planting. Yeah, that's it. Guys, you hear them? They are baking. Yep. So the sweet potatoes, they are ready. Just take them out. Yep. Yep. Nice and soft. Yep. Let me try and see if the Irish them ready. Yep, the Irish are ready also, guys. I'm just gonna take everything out. Yep. These two, I had them in the other grill. They're almost done. I think I'm gonna put the planting over here too. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Put this guy right here. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Yep. Yep, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Yep. So these guys are ready. Bring them inside. These guys, I'm gonna let them sit there for a couple of minutes and bring these guys inside. Okay, so that's where we are, guys. Almost done. And wife gonna be happy when she comes home from work this evening, because she doesn't know that I'm doing this right now. She's gonna be super surprised, super happy. Yep. So stay tuned, guys. So this is where we at now, guys. Look at that. Look at that juicy chicken right there. Finger licking good. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. I got my one planting right here. Yep. Monday jerk. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna just pour some of my sauce on it right here, guys. Yeah.
You done?
Yeah. Just cover it down. Let it sit. Yep. Yo.
Dad. Dad.
You.
I want to go to bed.
Okay.
Daddy.
This fly look like he wants some of my chicken. Oh. Fly look like he wants some of my chicken. Nice sweet potato right here. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Beautiful. Yep. This is lunch right now, which I'm gonna be pairing together with a nice cool Corona. Don't have any red stripe and Heineken, so this is what I'm gonna be doing today. A nice beautiful. I'm going to this guy right now. Now you can taste the Hennessy inside of this chicken, man. Lovely. Beautiful. Look at this potato right there, guys. Nice. You should try it out, guys. A wicked. Don't joke about it, guys. I saw a fly came over a while ago when I was cutting up the chicken. I think he smelled the chicken and got drunk. The Hennessy drunk him. Our sweet potatoes are bomb. This potato right here. Sweet yam, sweet potato. Beautiful. Can't beat it, man. Mm-hmm.
No? There.
Mm-mm-mm.
That mommy is.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Look at this. This is my plantain right here. This is my plantain, my sweet potato and Irish potato. I'm gonna take them inside with the chicken, put them in the oven and surprise my wife with it. So I'll try if I can show you guys her reaction when she comes home from work. If not, see you on the next video, guys. Alright? Have a good one. Manix Robinson TV out. My son say bye. Alright guys, take care.